Parang, ano, luwe. Luwebe. Main ako dito, main ako dyan ng shirt. Shirt, 150 na lang yun. Main shirt. Medium, semi-large, main pink. Pink, 180.
Wait, lolo, okay?
Large XL, kulay, 180 kulay. Oh, why? Because it's hungry. You should eat right now.
Sino si Alice?
Free. Large XL, mine print.
Oh, wait to lolo ha.
Print 180 print.
Lolo, come here.
Medium to large, mine ako dito. Blouse, 150. Shirts is Ali. SSD. Thank you so much.
Where is lolo?
Sure. Hanging crop. Actually, hindi siya crop eh. Parang hanging lang. Kasi hindi siya full length. Tapos na. Mine ako dito, Azul. Azul, 180 Azul. Mine, Azul. Next. Para siya
Wait,
mga pang-cover off. Pero hindi to sobrang nipis. Tama lang. Okay, pwedeng wala ka
What is there? Come here.
Mine ako dito, peach. Peach, 150. Large size. Peach. Mine, peach. Next. Ang kaganda na ito, oh. Ito may minimal dirt. Sale ko na lang. Mine, sale, 150. Medium
Wait,
to large.
lolo.
Sale, 150. Jacket mga siso. Color green. Mine ako dito, emerald. Jacket siya na parang tawag dito, windbreaker. Emerald, 180. Mine, emerald. Windbreaker to. Oh, pero pwede pag nag-office kayo, tapos nagmamotor kayo. Emerald, 180. Mine, emerald. Pa-loose style, large size cotton. Mine ako dito, loose. Loose, 180. Mine, loose, 180.
Close the door.
Next. Lace na parang pa-blouse, medium, semi-large. Mine, blouse, 150 blouse. Small, medium, adjustable strap, sleeveless, 150. Sleeveless. Medium to large, ganyan siya, pa-loose style. Mine ako dyan, strap. Strap, 150. Medium to large.
Okay.
Small, medium, mine ako dito, stripe. Stripe, 150. Small, med. Small, medium, pero parang kasha ko to. Mine, vest, 180. Vest. Best fit, small, medium. Medium, semi-large, color red. May style na parang social dyan. Mine ako dito, yayamanin. Yayamanin, small, medium size. 180. Next. Small, medium, may padding na to. Mine ako dyan ng pad, 150 pad. Small, med. Medium to large, mine colorful. Colorful, 180. Large size. Ito, pwede nyo rin pang doble to ha. Mine ako dyan, doble. Small, med.